Hello there, math wizards. Welcome back to the incredible world of reading readiness centers. Today, we are diving deep into the universe of subtraction strategies and advanced techniques. You've already aced subtraction like a pro, and now, we are going to take it to a whole new level. Let's get started. Subtraction is all about taking away numbers. It's like magic, we make numbers disappear. First, there's the counting strategy. This is when you count how many numbers you need to take away. For example, if you have 15 apples and you want to take away 7, just count as you remove them one by one. Now, the borrowing technique. If you need to subtract a big number from a smaller one, borrow from the next big number. Look, we borrowed 1 from the tens place, and it makes the subtraction easier. Let's work through a 4-digit subtraction example step by step. 7,862 to 3,495. Start from the rightmost digit ones place, and subtract 5 from 2. You can't subtract 5 from 2, so you need to borrow 1 from the tens place. Now, you can subtract 5 from 12, which equals 7. Move to the next place value, the tens place. Subtract 9 from 5. Since 5 is smaller than 9, you'll need to borrow again. After borrowing 10 from the hundreds place, you now have 15 in the tens place. Subtract 9 from 15, which equals 6. Move to the hundreds place. Subtract 4 from 7. This is straightforward. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Move to the thousands place. Subtract 3 from 7. This is also straightforward. 7 minus 3 equals 4. So, 7,862 minus 3,495 equals 4,367. Let's get through a 5-digit subtraction example step by step. 12,743 to 4,589. Start from the rightmost digit, ones place, and subtract 9 from 3. You can't subtract 9 from 3, so you need to borrow 1 from the tens place. Now, you can subtract 9 from 13, which equals 4. Move to the next place value, the tens place. Subtract 8 from 3. Since 3 is smaller than 8, you'll need to borrow again. After borrowing 10 from the hundreds place, you now have 13 in the tens place. Subtract 8 from 13, which equals 5. Move to the hundreds place. Subtract 5 from 6. This is straightforward. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Move to the thousands place. Subtract 4 from 2. Since 2 is smaller than 4, you'll need to borrow again. After borrowing 10 from the 10,000s place, you now have 12 in the thousands place. Subtract 4 from 12, which equals 8. So, 12,743 minus 4,589 equals 8,154. In these example, we used borrowing to subtract when the digit on top was smaller than the one below it. This method ensures that you subtract each place value correctly, from right to left, and account for any necessary borrowing to make the subtraction process accurate. You've just leveled up your subtraction skills. Keep practicing, and you'll become a math master in no time. Thanks for joining us today. at Reading Readiness Centers. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy learning, and keep exploring the world of numbers.